We're on the way home to Cumbria today and we have stopped in Boroughbridge. I forgot to start the vlog this morning because we were packing and everything. I have a budgie in the car. Nuggets has come with us. Absolutely loving it. We're now at Mainsgill Farm outside Scotch Corner, eating. Well, Dean's still eating. I just had some olives and stuffed peppers, which was really nice. Just a little bit from this place because it's quite pricey. It is really nice though. They've got a nice cafe. They've got a lovely gift shop, but we didn't spend too much time in there today because we've obviously got the bird with us. Over there in those barns they've got budgies, donkeys, reindeer, and they've got camels as well, I believe. Yeah, this is Mainsgill Farm. They've got a lovely Christmassy section in, so very festive at the moment. Nugget! Nugget! You eating your seed bell?
Seat belt?
Seed bell. Nugget! Actually been home for a few days, but I haven't been vlogging because I feel like I've been spending more time just with family and with friends, with people, not worrying about getting the camera out. As you can tell, I'm not used to vlogging yet. It's not really a main part of my life anyway, so if I get to do it, I do it. We're going to be going home with an extra bird. Dean is getting his cockatiel back, so his parents have been looking after her since he left uni, and she's coming back with us. Today I'm going to Carlisle with my two best friends. We're going for a meal and to watch a movie. Really cold, it's been really cold. I went through to Penrith the other day for a workshop and it was actually snowing. It's actually been snowing in the Lake District. It's, you know, it's crazy, totally crazy because it's still autumn. Yeah, I'm gonna go now and take Dean back home to his mum's. He's been staying here for a couple of nights.
Pickles likes it.
Pickles up at the lake.
Someone likes to be driven.